A very merry Mo Salah Christmas. A lot of negative comments about this picture posted by our brother Muhammad Salah. So what should our stance be from this as Muslims? First of all, we should have husn al-dhann and try to make an excuse for our brother. But honestly, when you look at the picture, it's a bit difficult to do so. Nevertheless, maybe he has an excuse that we don't know. Maybe he just wanted to make all of his fans, the non-Muslim fans that he has around the world, he wanted to make them happy during the holidays. Obviously, this is not something that would be excused Islamically. Nonetheless, Islam teaches us that we should not expose the sins and the faults of our brothers. During the time of our beloved Prophet ﷺ, there was a companion who used to always drink alcohol, and he would get lashed and he would come back and get punished time and time again. One time, some of the companions, the Sahaba radiallahu anhum, they cursed this man. May Allah curse him. And the Prophet ﷺ, he stopped them and he said, do not curse him, because verily he loves Allah and His Messenger. Don't forget that we are the ones who used to praise him when we saw his love for the Qur'an. And inshallah, this is a sign that he truly loves Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do not assist shaitan against your brother. And he ordered them to make dua for him. Therefore, we need to follow the same teachings. To not assist shaitan against our brothers. We don't want to push them away. We want to bring them closer to the good. And make dua that Allah will bless them with guidance and all forms of goodness.